Hi, today I will be discussing about the template or the WordPress theme Smarter About Cyber. In part 1 of this tutorial, I will be discussing the logging in the backend. To log on our backend, first we go to the website. Then on the address bar, you will type wp-admin and hit enter. This will redirect you to the login page of WordPress. The login details will be provided by the developer. Then hit login. So after loading, this will be your backend. On the next tutorial, we will be discussing about modifying the menus.